Grammar lesson on used to, get used to, and be used to. We use the structure, subject, plus used to, plus infinitive to talk about actions, states, or habits that were true in the past but no longer happen. For example, we used to love coming to this park as kids. My sister used to have the exact same toy tractor. We use the structure, subject, plus be, plus getting used to, when you are in the process of becoming accustomed to an action or state. For example, I don't get home from my new job until 9 p.m. I'm getting used to eating dinner late. We've just rescued him. He is getting used to his new environment. We use the structure, subject, plus be, plus used to talk about actions or states you are accustomed to doing. Something that is normal for you. For example, I'm so sorry, it's my fault. I am used to driving on the left. I am used to getting up at 5 a.m. I've been doing it for 10 years. That's all for now. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.